Today we're gonna learn. We're going to learn how to use Facebook audience to target people using ChatGPT. We're going to use AI. So we'll come to audiences here, and then we'll choose create a saved audience. So now, at first, we'll come to ChatGPT. I'll help me come up with audience targeting for engagement rings. Or Meta. So it'll give you demographics, the age, the gender, relationship status. Interest-based targeting would be engagement, wedding ring, maybe if you're selling high-end engagement rings like diamond, luxury goods, watches, stuff like that. Behavioral targeting would be people who are engaged shoppers. Those are the guys who clicked on shop now in the last 7 days. Facebook admins of wedding pages. Those I don't agree with. Recently moved, maybe. Yeah, people browsing wedding related stuff. Right, so then we come to Meta, come to write the audience name, engagements rings. And then now, I'm recording this. The minimum age we're gonna change to 25. Right, so age 25 is good. And then we use detailed targeting. Oh, okay, sorry. Of course, it's engagement rings. It is assumed that the men are the ones who buy engagement rings in my part of the world. I don't know about your part of the world, but if women buy, switch to this one or both. But where I live, this is what those ones would buy. So we come back to ChatGPT and see if we change the age to 45. Okay, we have to reduce this to 45. I am skipping boomers. Hope it's not too cruel. So I will choose relationship status in a relationship. And then it advised us to say for engaged. So engaged. We check that box. Okay, then we interest-based targeting. We look for engagement rings. Oh, I think it's right there. I lost it. Nope. Engagement ring. There you go. Right. So what else next? Wedding reception. Might also say wedding something. Wedding photography, wedding cake, wedding invitation. Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT. What else say? Wedding planning, bride and groom. Ooh, that one's a good one. Bride and groom. What else? What else? Bride and groom. Marriage proposal. Ooh, marriage. That's a good one. Marriage. And we already picked wedding photography. So luxury, we're going to skip that. Then we add engaged shoppers. So how much people do I have? I have 1.2 to 1.4 million people. Let's narrow it down to, yep. How many people do I have? 1.2, 1.4 still. Right, cool. So we have the audience name, engagement, let's go. And we create saved audience. Right, so that's not the end of it. So come back, click on it, then we're going to edit it. We ask ChatGPT. Oh crap, I didn't change the age. Okay. We copy it, come back down here, critique. I'm not surprised it's going to critique some of the answers it gives me, which will be a bit ridiculous. Like I knew the age would be a problem because I don't know why I didn't save it to 45. See, now it tells me wedding cake invitation are a bit too broad. Okay, cool. So let's go back and change that. Click on edit. Honestly, I thought I changed this, but okay. Let's do 50. So now we start removing the bloated stuff. So he said wedding cake is bad. They said invitation is bad. Photography is also bad. Oh, yeah. Let's check again what else was bad. I remove that. Keep engagement during marriage proposal. Engagement during wedding. That's fine. Oh, wedding ring stays. Oh, cool. Good to know. Right. Remove or test separately. That's not removed. Add luxury. I'm looking for upscale buyers. I'm looking for other people. No, this one. So we save by updating. Done. So we ask it again. Critique. So we're still good, still good, still good. So I remove videography and reception. Okay. Go back here. We remove that. Remove videography. Okay, what else don't you like? That must be removed. That is fine. Okay. We save again. And we copy. So what I want to do is keep asking ChatGPT until it comes up with a very tight answer where it says there are no problems. according to its perception. And then I work on this on Facebook. After some time on Facebook, I'll come and review all this. You see, now it gives me a rating of 9 out of 10. So maybe just play the copy, play out the creatives. So far, this is good. And that's it. So I'm going to run this ad on Facebook for a while. Then if I see it needs improvement, if I see it needs to increase the audience size, because I'm still looking at close to 1 million on Facebook. That's still cool. That's fine. But again, this is just to show you how you can leverage AI to make the stop wasting money and to get more bang for your buck. With that, my people, I will tell you goodbye and get out of here.